If your company has outgrown QuickBooks or your current system feels too limited, it might be time to move to something stronger. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to switch accounting systems without losing data, breaking your books, or stressing your team out. I'll explain why we do things in a certain order, the common mistakes to avoid, and how to double-check your numbers after the move. Let's jump in. Step 1. Know exactly what you want from the new system. Before touching any data, get clear on what you want the new system to fix. Examples: do you need better reporting, better approvals and controls, multi-entity tracking, or faster month-end close? Why this matters. If you don't clearly define your goals, the project grows out of control fast. Clear goals keep everyone focused. Step 2. Clean up your current system first. Think of this like moving houses. You don't want to pack junk and drag it into your new home. So before migrating, clean up your chart of accounts. Close inactive vendors and customers. Fix outstanding credits. Update item and department lists. Why this matters. A new system won't magically fix messy data. Bad data in equals bad data out. Common mistake. People say we'll clean it after go live. You won't, and it becomes way harder later. Step 3. Create mapping files, old system to new system. When you move from QuickBooks to a new ERP, the two systems don't use the same structure, so you create mapping files that show how things translate. You'll map accounts, vendors, customers, departments, and items or products. Why this matters. It tells the new system exactly where every piece of information should land. Pitfall: changing your mapping repeatedly. Once approved, lock it in. Step 4. Set up the new system. This is where your implementation partner configures the new ERP. They'll help you set up chart of accounts, approval workflows, user roles, AP, AR, banking, and other modules. Why this matters. This step builds the structure your data will live in. And remember, don't copy QuickBooks exactly. Your new system should support how you want to work going forward. Step 5. Run test data loads. Never migrate your data just once. Always run at least 2 test loads. Each test includes trial balance, vendor customer lists, open AP and AR, inventory if needed, and departments or classes. Why we test. The first test load will show what's wrong. The second test confirms everything is fixed. Step 6. User testing. Make sure it actually works. Your team now practices real tasks in the new system, like entering bills, running reports, posting journal entries, and approving transactions. Why this matters. It ensures the system works the way your team actually works. Mistake to avoid. Letting people test freely with no plan. Give them a checklist of real tasks to complete. Step 7. Cutover and go-live planning. Cutover is the moment you move from the old system to the new one. Your cutover plan should include picking a freeze date when you stop entering data in the old system, final trial balance, open AP, AR, and bank balances, inventory balances, and user access. Why this matters. If people enter transactions in both systems during cutover, your numbers will not match. Step 8. Verify everything after go live. Once the new system goes live, your job is to confirm the numbers are correct. Do these checks. Trial balance ties to the penny. AP subledger equals AP control account. AR subledger equals AR control account. Inventory balances match. Bank balances match. User permissions are right and month-end close runs smoothly. Why this matters. If you validate early, you avoid audit problems and build confidence in the new system. Let's quickly recap the steps. Define your goals. Clean up your old system. Map old data to the new structure. Set up the new system. Run test migrations. Have your team test real tasks. Plan your cutover carefully. Verify your numbers after go live. Follow these steps in this order and you'll avoid 90% of the issues companies run into. A smooth system switch is all about planning, clean data, and double-checking your numbers. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.